Hello guys, back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you a simple tutorial on how to change the language in CapCut. So here I've already on the CapCut apps, and my current language settings is English. And let's say I want to change it. So what you need to do is just click on the settings at the top right corner, this little gear icon. And here you can see there at the top there is app language settings. So click on the English, click on the arrow, and there will be options of languages that you can choose. You can see CapCut comes with so many language options that you can choose. So let's say I want to change it into my own mother tongue, Bahasa Indonesia. Click on that, then click on done. So after a while, the CapCut language settings will be changed into the language that you chose before. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye.